The W-4 form tells your employer how much federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck. Let's break down how the current version works. Withholding is essentially a pay-as-you-go system for your taxes, preventing a massive bill or a huge refund when you file in April. The primary goal of this form is accuracy. You want to pay just enough tax throughout the year to cover your actual liability. The form is split into sections that account for your household income, dependents, and any extra income you might have outside your main job. The older version relied on allowances that were hard to calculate. The current form uses specific dollar amounts to make the process much more transparent. Withholding too little can lead to penalties, while withholding too much acts like an interest-free loan to the government. Precision is your best strategy. The IRS suggests updating your form whenever you get married, have a child, or experience a major change in your total household income. Use the IRS online estimator tool to check your numbers. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is educational content, not financial advice.